Model Making Guru is sponsored by emodels.co.uk, your one-stop shop for all your model making needs. emodels.co.uk. Make something awesome. Mailbag time! Yes! Hey everyone, it's Foxx from Model Making Guru here. Hello, 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 welcome, welcome. I've got a big package. A large box has arrived today, a day early. I must give credit to USPS, a day early, and it's arrived all the way from Akron, Ohio, in the United States of the America lands. Yes, patron Damir Kehonich. I hope I pronounced that right. Kehonich? Damir contacted me and said, hey, can I send you something? Would that be a real pain? I'm like, nope, nope, that would not be a pain at all. Now, I've got no idea what is in here. He does mention occasionally how he hopes it survives the journey, so it's maybe something breakable, bottles of something or something very delicate. I don't know what it is, but it's 4.6 pounds according to the blurb, which is American weight, so it's about, I don't know, 350 stone or 17 something, I don't know, but I've got no idea. So I love it, because I always love receiving packages, but more often than not I kind of know what it is if it's not something I've ordered. But this is a complete mystery. I've only had a handful of packages received from followers who I'd got no idea what's in it, so it's quite exciting. So I've got my official Model Making Guru box opening crappy old knife. Let's do some box opening. This is where you get my head in shot now because it's in the way. I think this knife is kind of beyond its natural life now. Oh, nice easy tape. For once, I've not been sent a box with like industrial grade tape on it. Makes for a nice, neat, professional looking unboxing. I really do have no idea what's in here. I'm kind of a little bit nervous because it could be something that I'm going to regret, like some kind of death sauce chili thing or so. I don't know. So we'll find out. So the knife is away. It might come out again if there's stabby things in there. So I'll just see if there's a note. Yep, there's a note. Let me get the note first before I look inside and see what. I'm closing my eyes so I can't see what's in there. The note is stuck down for something. I'm not looking. I haven't seen what's in there yet. You probably have. Hey Fox, I suck at writing letters, so here is that. Oh, there is that. I hope you will like the little gift I sent you. Watching your builds has actually inspired me to get back into modelling. Hope you have a great year and I can't wait to see you build it. Okay, brilliant. Excellent. Thank you very much, Damir. Right. That was a good letter. It wasn't a bad letter at all. You don't suck at writing letters. Right, let's have a look, shall we? Let's see what this is. I'm going to open it. Oh, oh my lord. Oh my lord. Holy crap. This is like when Kenneth sent me some stuff in one of these boxes, but it wasn't one of these. Dude, you've sent me a Sinanjo. Oh my god. Ugh, let's get this out. Wow, that's heavy. Oh, let me just get all this out of the way. There's something else in here. That's not all. Hang on. There's other things in here. What's this? I'll come back to the Sinanjo in a minute. This is just newspaper, but it's local. It's local American newspapers where they seem to sell ladies in bikinis and underwears. Ooh, underwear ladies. Most pleasant. Flip-flops. Yeah. Almost Crocs. We don't like Crocs, but they're not quite Crocs. Men in shorts and t-shirts. Cool. We can earn double points. Earn 2 reward points for every $1 spent on purchases when you use your Boscov's credit card. July 2nd through July 15th, 2017. Ah, yeah, that's a bit out of date now. Oh, I can't get the discounts. I like getting local papers. Here's some more local paper. There's actually news on this one. Let's see what this is. Actually got some news going on. Anything interesting in the local area? In Akron, Ohio. It's from the... Does it say what paper it's from? The Press of Atlantic City. Horoscopes. Here we go. This should be a laugh. If I can read it. Sagittarius. That's my horoscope. I can't see it. Hang on. Let me get my space helmet of seeing. This was my horoscope for Monday, October the 9th, 2017. You keep your newspapers for a long time here. You could be thinking of alternative ideas as a key person presents what he or she feels works. Why not work on a compromise? You will discover that you can build an even stronger bond by softening your God, horoscopes are nonsense. Right, what's this? I don't know what this is. This is very heavy. Oh, hello. What's this? Dude, seriously? I'm full of mixed emotions. It's a Jar Jar in gleaming carbonite. Oh, that is incredible. And he's sticking his tongue out at me. Oh. Paul and Chris will be just like beside themselves with this now. Oh, that is beautiful. Even though it's Jar Jar, it's still beautiful. Dude, that is incredible. Thank you so much for that. That is just the best thing ever. So many conflicting emotions going through me right now. Oh, that is gorgeous though. That's a lovely bit of, I think it's resin. Lovely bit of resin all painted up there. Beautiful. Mister, so happy to see you. No. Oh. Dude, that is just the best thing ever. Paul and Chris are just so laughing themselves off their chairs right now. Right, let's get back to the main event. Bloody Jar Jar. That's epic. We're going to have to open it, aren't we, very quickly and have a look inside. This is one of those suits that... It's a bit like if you make model planes, you kind of have to make a Spitfire. And if you make model tanks, at some point, you kind of have to make a Sherman. So if you make the Gumplers, then at some point, you kind of have to do a Sinanju. A master grade. Vercar. Lovely, lovely water slides. Oh, look at this. I do love the box art for the version car kits because they're so beautiful. Simple and white and grey. Oh, wow. This is going to be a great build. Oh, ooh, catching on my wire there. Wow. There's so many things in this box. Look at that. Beautiful clear effect parts. See, I've built the Sinanju Stein, so I'm familiar with the inner frame. It's very similar in a lot of ways to the Sinanju Stein. It's just a lot more of it to go around. We've got test springs. Springs, really? Oh, this looks awesome. Oh, wow. Decals or stickers? We have... I'd have to get them out to check, but they may be dry rubs. Are they water slides or dry rubs? I'm not sure. Lots of gold leafy stickers. We have some, I think these are water slides for the gold. And I think these might be, I can't tell. I'd have to get them out to have a look, but they might be dry rubs because they look like they're on kind of that kind of dry rub paper. But I don't mind dry rubs. Dry rubs are cool. Oh, that's incredible. Well, Demir, I can't begin to thank you enough. I cannot begin to express my thanks for this wonderful, wonderful gift. And Chris and Paul can't begin to express their joy that you sent me. This is fantastic. Oh, Chris and Paul, I hate you. See what you've started, guys. That is going to be, yes. I guess this will have to be a Team Inept mascot now. Yes, brilliant. Oh, I can't thank you enough for these, dude. That is incredibly awesome. I'm always very, very humbled when people send me stuff because I just make YouTube videos. I just make silly videos and stick things together and hopefully give people a laugh. So when people send me things and say, this is because you've helped me out and because you've got me back into things and this is a way of saying thank you, it's a heck of a way to say thank you. I can't thank you enough. This will have to go into the pile of to-do. Yes, I need to get that done. I did enjoy building the Sinanju Stein. Sinanju Stein, that's right. I made a Sinanju Stein. I made it in Cornwall. Or is it Penzance? I can never remember. I'm a little bit giddy right now, which is why I'm going a bit loopy. Yeah, it's his fault. Yes, I did this in Sinanju Stein, and that was a brilliant build. So this is going to be very similar. So I'm going to look, but I didn't paint the Stein. I did a not painted, but weathered it. So this would have to be a full paint job, I think. That's absolutely incredible. Dude, I cannot thank you. I cannot even begin to thank you enough. This means a lot. This means so much to me. Thank you so much. I shall put that in the to-do thing. I do need to get back into Gunpla. Again, as I keep saying in my videos, don't panic. I've got my Warhammer stuff going on, but I've got my Master Grade Strike... What is it? I've forgotten what it is now. Master Grade Strike Rouge Uotori to do. That's for a patron, who's one of the top tier patrons. If you didn't know, by the way, and you might know this anyway, you probably do because I always talk about it, I do have a Patreon page. You can support me on Patreon, anywhere from $1 a month. It's patreon.com/modelmakingguru. Damir's a patron, and so is the chap I'm building the Master Grade for. If you do the top tier patron, which is $100 a month, after 12 months you get a kit made for you and painted by me, and I give it to you free. So that's the reward for the very top tier patrons. So do have a look. It's all completely optional. You don't have to do it. It's really nice if you do. But Damir, I can't thank you enough. I cannot thank you enough. I'll include that in there as well, shall I? I can't thank you enough. That is brilliant. Although I've got to tell you, I kind of want to give it a wash of Agrax Earthshade just to brown it up a little bit. Oh man, oh, it's just going to be a Team Inept mascot now, isn't it? What you should have done is sent it to me in 6 parts. Yeah, never mind. Brilliant. Well, absolutely thank you so much. I can't thank you enough. To everybody else who sent me things in the past, again, you're all absolutely wonderful people. I cannot thank you enough. It always just floors me. I always go a bit wibbly when I do these videos because I can never think of stuff to say because I'm just like, blimey, people are sending me these things. That is a beautiful, beautiful and not cheap kit. So I shall endeavour to do a really good job on that. I shall try and do the best I possibly can. I suspect with some reverse washing as well will actually happen on this. Finally, I get to do some reverse washes. I've got some bits I need to do them on, but I keep trying to get myself doing reverse washes so I can show you, but I've never had every time I get a kit that's got the option, I kind of don't end up doing it. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much, Damir. Again, I can't thank you enough. Do stay tuned for, I was about to say for this video, but you're watching it now. Stay tuned for the rest of the Fallout Wasteland Warfare videos. I've got Nora to paint. I've got another mutant to paint, but I'll paint him off camera. And of course, who can ignore Dogmeat? Yes, he's a very good boy. He's a very, very good boy. Oh, you're a good boy. I love Dogmeat. So I've got a couple more videos to do. I've got to paint Nora and I've got to paint Dogmeat and I've got to do a video showing bases. So they'll be coming over the next few days. I'm blasting through those really quickly because the game comes out in May. So I need to get that done ASAP. If you didn't see, I did my Super Mutant dual wielding dude. That was really good fun. Don't know, like the 3rd or 4th figure I've ever painted, so quite proud of that. That's to come. Then I've got to finish off the e-models build, which is the Warhammer 40k sort of real life AML 90 Warhammered up. Then we've got that Strike Rouge Uotori to do, the Master Grade. So that is next on the cards, and then we'll get round to this. This will be in the to-do list. So thank you so much for watching. Like I said, do pop along to my Patreon page if you wish. Don't forget, of course, do go along to the Boom Hut on Facebook, facebook.com/groups/Boom Hut, model Boom Hut even. It is, even though I created it, I have to say, the best model making group on Facebook. No snark, no bitching, no nastiness, no nothing. We don't allow it. It's a friendly place where you can show off your work, get advice, get hints and tips, and make lots of friends. And last of all, don't forget, we announced a few days ago that Chris, Paul and I have set up Team Inept. It's where we do our video game stuff, but we branched it off into its own Facebook page, which is just Team Inept. We've also set up a Mixer channel and a Mixer team, and we're going to do live streaming. We're going to do like a multi-live streams, and there's a Discord as well where you can chat and have a good time, and also team up with other players to play multiplayer games. But that's going to do it. So thank you so much for watching. Damir, thank you so much. A million thanks for these. I can't express my gratitude. And to everybody else, take care of yourselves. Go make something awesome. Go be awesome. And until next time, adios amoeba. Miss, I got to go now. Bye bye. Oh, ja, ja. Yeah.